Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can restore data from our S3 bucket using AWS CLI in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS CLI. As you can see, we are in our AWS CLI. Here, first of all, we need to log in with our AWS credentials using AWS configure command. After login with AWS credentials, type AWS S3 ls and view all S3 buckets. Here in my-bucket 0092, we have created a backup folder in our previous video. For this, type AWS S3 ls /my-bucket 0092 and hit enter. Here you can see we have one folder with the name of data-backup. If you want to view this folder, for this type AWS S3 ls then S3 my-bucket 0092 and then type data-backup and hit enter. Here you can see we have synced all the data with our data folder. If I show you the data folder, here you can see we have all these files. Now if any case accidentally we have deleted all the data in our data folder, so how we can recover this data from our S3 bucket? For this, first of all, go to data folder in downloads. For this, type cd downloads and then data. Now here type the command AWS S3 sync. We want to recover our data from this data-backup folder. For this path, type S3:/my-bucket 0092-data-backup and we want to restore it in our data folder as already we have in data folder. So for current folder, we just type dot and then hit enter. As you can see, our all files are downloaded successfully and you can see all the files are downloaded in our data folder. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.